If you think fasting is just about staying hungry, you've completely missed the point. Because if hunger was the goal, there are millions of people who are hungry every single day. But that doesn't automatically make them righteous. Allah didn't say, fast so you can suffer. He didn't say, fast so you can feel pain. He said, so that you may become righteous. Fasting is not about starving your body, it's about disciplining your soul. When you can walk away from halal food, when no one is watching, just because Allah told you to, that builds something powerful inside you. It builds taqwa, and if you can leave what is halal for Allah, then you can definitely leave what is haram for Him too. So ask yourself, this Ramadan, are you just hungry, or are you transforming? Allah says in Surah Al-Baqarah 2:183, O you who have believed, decreed upon you is fasting, as it was decreed upon those before you that you may become righteous. Notice something powerful. Allah didn't say, fast so you can feel hungry. He didn't say, fast so you can suffer. He said, so you can become righteous. Think about that. If hunger was the goal, then every person who struggles without food would automatically be close to Allah. But that's not what makes you righteous. Fasting trains your soul. It teaches you self-control. It teaches you sincerity. It teaches you that even when no one is watching, Allah is watching. When you can leave halal food and drink, something completely permissible, just because Allah told you to, then you're training yourself to leave what is haram too. Fasting is not about starving the body. It's about disciplining the heart. It's about controlling your tongue, lowering your gaze, purifying your intentions. So the real question is, are you just losing weight this Ramadan, or are you gaining taqwa?